Hello, welcome to T-Invoicer. In this video, we're going to go over the features of T-Invoicer and what it can do for you. T-Invoicer is an invoicing solution for screen printing and embroidery businesses that allows you to take orders from your customers, to price out jobs for them on the fly over the telephone, to track all your order information conveniently without having to have a paper-based system, and then to bill them when the job is completed. And ultimately, it allows you to create reports for sales and for tax purposes. The first section when you start the program is the invoice screen. This is the main screen where you enter in your order information for your invoice. It's a very straightforward layout that you're actually entering your information on the invoice itself. So what you see is what you get. The next section I want to go into is Quick Quote. This is a whole new feature we've added to T-Invoicer that allows you to generate pricing for your customers on the fly over the telephone. The way this is set up is it's linked to our new price list, which we'll go into later. When you define a price list, you can select it when you're generating pricing. So let me create one here for you real quick, and I'll give you an example of how it works. Just click New to generate a quick quote, and down here you can select your customer and contact information from your customer list here. You type in the job name. We'll say Company Barbecue for this example. Then you can type in the quantity of garments. So let's say they're asking for 144 white Hanes beefy tees. Using the price list that we've created here, you can select the price list that you want to use. So right now we have two price lists set up. We have a dark and a light price list, and you can create as many price lists as you need later on. For now, just select one of the price lists that you're going to be using. In this case, because it's a white shirt, we're going to use lights. Then we can type in the wholesale cost that we get it for. Let's say we can get it for $1.80, and we're going to mark it up 50%, so it calculates that, and then we can type in the placement information. Let's say for this example we're going to go with a 4-color center chest, a 6-color back design. Based on our price list that we've selected, it's going to generate pricing automatically, calculate the unit price. In this example, it's going to be $4.75 a shirt, and then when we're ready, we can go ahead and generate a quote. It'll automatically create a new quote that we can print out and email to our customer. The next section we've added is our all-new, totally revamped list view. But now in this new version, we've added some pretty powerful ways of finding records of invoices pretty quickly and easily. For example, we've added the new quick selector that allows you to select invoices in a range of dates very easily. So for example, you can define a starting and an ending date, and using just words instead of having to think of what the actual date is. I want to find invoices between January and July, or last year to next year, or this quarter to next quarter. And it's real easy to find it in that method. Or if you know a specific date that you want to find, you can also select those dates in these drop-down calendars just as easily. You also have some parameters that will omit records of particular like quotes or paid invoices from showing in the list here. And in combination of using this, selected ranges of dates and these parameters here, you can create pretty powerful reports. Now, that's also a new feature that we've added that's been highly requested. And so you can create monthly, quarterly, yearly, and customer reports. The next section we've added is price lists. This is an all-new feature that we've added to T-Invoicer that allows you to create price lists. If you have a price list already, it's simply a matter of just adding it into the fields here. There's a couple of price lists that we've built in the program already, so when this information will automatically be in there. You don't need to use it. You can easily edit it, or you can just add more price lists, and you can create as many price lists as you need. Once you have a price list created, you can use that in the quick quote section to help you price out a job on the fly. So if you have a customer on the phone, you can figure out and calculate how much a shirt will cost per unit pretty quickly. So all you need to define is the placement information for each location that you're going to do. So let's say they call up and they ask for 72 black shirts, 2 colors on the left chest, 6 colors on the back. And then once you have your price list defined, you can select any of those price lists in this little drop down right here and apply those print prices to each location, and then it'll calculate it for you and then you're able to generate a quote that you can print out or email to them.